Welcome to Meow Money, where we turn tricky finance into fun, bite-sized tips. Let's dive in.
Okay, imagine this. Two cats retire on the same day with $1 million each. Same investments, same spending, same average return. Sounds fair, right? Now here's the twist. Both cats spend $40,000 a year to live. But Cat A gets unlucky right away. Year 1, market drops 20%. Year 2, drops another 10%. Year 3, finally goes up 15%. Cat A still has to eat. So every year, they're selling investments while prices are down. After just 3 years, Cat A's portfolio is down to about $650,000. Now Cat B, same returns, just a different order. Year 1, up 15%. Year 2, up 10%. Year 3, down 20%. Same spending, same average return. But after 3 years, Cat B still has about $900,000. Same math. Totally different ending. This is sequence of returns risk. Early retirement is fragile because losses at the beginning hurt way more. You're not just losing money, you're locking in damage. So what can smart cats do? First, keep 2 to 3 years of spending in cash. If you spend $50K a year, that's $100K to $150K, parked safely. No panic selling during crashes. Second, set a spending break. If the market is down more than 15%, cut spending by 5 to 10%. The market will nap, then recover. Third, spend from the right bowl. Down market, use cash or bonds. Up market, refill cash from stocks. And finally, don't go all in on stocks on day 1 of retirement. Start a little more conservative, then slowly take more risk over time. Sequence of returns risk isn't about fear, it's about protecting the first 5 years. Do that, and your money can purr happily for decades.
Thanks for watching Meow Money. Like and subscribe to keep your savings purring. See you next time.